You guys, affirming is not that hard. Don't make it difficult and don't complicate the process. Hi, you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Josna, and in today's video, I'm going to talk all about affirmations. Affirmations, if you've already watched my previous videos, you guys know is my favorite method to saturate my subconscious mind, to manifest all my desires, and I have used it multiple times and it has always worked in my favor. So, most of the time, I use this method whenever I want to manifest something very quick and if I want to see overnight results. Affirmations are the go-to method that I particularly use. The reason why I love affirmations and I always rely on it is because it's so simple and so effective. Anyone can do it, literally anyone. It doesn't matter how old you are, what your state is, where you are from. Affirmations are just statements that you are repeating so that it becomes a belief, which ultimately becomes a true fact about yourself. I usually rely on the law of assumption, which is basically your assumptions make your reality. So the more I affirm, the more I state it as if that is a true fact about me, which is basically an assumption that I'm making, which just tends to come into reality. You normalize the statement of affirmation that you are repeating, whether it's one statement or whether it's multiple statements that you're telling in a repeated mode, and you are being consistent with this practice. Eventually, whether you like it or not, you will see evidence of it. Your physical reality is literally the reflection of your internal thoughts. So the more internally you're thinking positive about yourself, or you're thinking more in favor of your desires, then ultimately that is what you're going to see. And honestly, if you told me this like 2 years ago that affirmations would be a game changer in my life, I wouldn't have believed you. Just because I tried it, I practiced it, and I saw evidence of it, it's only then that I started sharing videos about it. I still remember like maybe like 6 to 7 months ago, I started repeating this affirmation in my mind in a repeated mode. You guys know I'm a big fan of robotic affirmations. So there was this one affirmation statement that I was repeating on loop, which is I have multiple sources of income. So you guys already know the statement. If you have heard the money affirmations video that I made previously, I do have a statement that says I have multiple sources of income. So this is an affirmation I was telling in loop, not really bothering on how it's going to happen, when it's going to happen. I just relaxed, and whenever I was, bored, or whenever I was doing maybe household chores, or whenever I was doing my laundry, this was an affirmation I was repeating in loop. I was doing this at a point like 6 7 months ago where I would only rely on my 9 to 5 for my monthly income. I didn't have any other sources of income, but I would just keep repeating this, that I have multiple sources of income. Like, that's just my reality, and that's just a fact about my life. And today I have literally multiple sources of income, and that's a reality in my life, whether it's with my coaching business, whether it's with my workbook. You guys already know I have written Get That Dream Job workbook. That workbook took me like a week to just write and to publish, and now I have so many sales, and a lot of my coaching clients are coming after purchasing the workbook saying they do want to take like a 1 month full coaching from me. So that is another source of income. YouTube, as you guys already know, I'm a YouTube partner now. I have been doing YouTube videos for so many years. If you've seen my channel, you know how many years I've been doing YouTube, but I never got accepted as a YouTube partner before. And I recently got accepted as a YouTube partner, so YouTube also pays me. And on top of that, I have my 9 to 5 again, which gives me like my monthly source of income. So basically, I manifested this. Like, I manifested having multiple sources of income, and I know that now anything is possible for me. So if you haven't already heard of this, whatever you focus on, that's what grows. Whatever you are expanding your thoughts about, whatever your beliefs are, whatever your internal thoughts are, that is what you're going to see in your reality. So if you are going to continuously affirm that, I have multiple sources of income, or I earn $10,000 per day, or I earn $10,000 per month, whatever it is, you are automatically going to get ideas in your subconscious mind, which is going to nudge you in that direction, which is a potential source of you making $10,000. In order to just make it simple, the more you affirm, the more you are focusing on that particular desire. And when you focus more on that desire, that's what you see expand in your reality. That is why, in order to make it easy and simple for you, and so that you don't complicate this process, and I have been receiving so many questions about robotic affirmations, like how many minutes do I do this? What kind of statement do I need to make? Can you help me with my statement? Most of my coaching clients literally take up my coaching just so that I can make a customized robotic affirmations tape for them, which I love making, and I genuinely want to help every single individual. But obviously, doing monthly coaching can be time taking, especially when I already have a 9 to 5 job. It's not very easy for me to accommodate a lot of clients. So, for that reason, I published another book which is full of affirmations that I personally use every single day. It's so easy that all you have to do is go through the book, every statement, every affirmation that is there. And the best part is, I have divided into chapters. So, if you want to focus on money and that's an area that you want to see grow in your life and that's your desire at the moment, all you have to do is just go through those money affirmations, each statement, repeat it out loud or in your mind multiple times as soon as you wake up and right before you go to sleep. You can do this activity for just 10 minutes. It's that simple. And in this manner, you don't even have to write down your affirmation, or you don't even have to make a customized affirmation. You can just use the affirmations that I've mentioned in the book, repeat them out loud or in your mind for 10 minutes continuously, and that's it. That's all you have to do. You can just pick any area you want, whether it's self concept, whether it's money, whether it's love and relationships, whether it's your health. Just pick one single area of your life that you want to focus on and just repeat these affirmations like a robot, like a parrot. Link down the top mate a link in order to purchase my book. I know that my affirmations are valuable. I know that they're going to be a game changer in your life. Do check it out. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I just wanted to let you guys know that the affirmations method doesn't have to be complicated. It doesn't have to be challenging. You don't have to do it for 2 hours, 10 hours a day and then struggle about not, getting your desire immediately. All you have to do is relax, have this belief in your mind, have this faith that it's already true about yourself, or whatever it is, it's already a real fact in your life, and just go on with your day. If you do want to see results, I want you to do this consistently for at least 10 to 15 days straight. Repeat them for 10 minutes per day. It's not going to be more than 10-15 minutes. You just need 10 or 15 minutes. That's about it. So yeah, just repeat these statements for 10 to 15 minutes and see how much of change you're going to see. Either you're going to see evidence in your physical reality, or you're going to see nudges, signs, symbols, signals, whatever it is, towards your desire, and that is when you start executing and take aligned action towards it. So yeah, I hope this video was inspiring, and I hope you do try out the affirmations method, because this is my favorite method and I have manifested so many things with this. So yeah, I hope this inspires you to try it, give it a shot today, and yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions. I'll see you guys in my next video. Lots of love. Bye.